just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.